After everything Paddy's been through, today was the real test.
Rigs on rigs, pedal to the metal, can't stop, only way is up. No turning around, no backing down. Rock and roll, ready to go.
We brought both patrols down to the Janowen Hills 4-wheel drive park, and it wasn't long before airing down the tyres, locking the hubs, and then hitting the tracks.
And wouldn't you know it, it's been that long since I've driven Paddy, I forgot to lock the bloody hubs in. And it wasn't long, and we found the first hill of the day. A nice little one to get started on.
Alright, first track of the day. Let's see how we go. Got them all at 20. Just going to walk it first, see how it feels, and go from there. Slow and steady wins the race. Just like that. Yes, I am behind the wheel of Paddy. I know, scary. Dad's injury means he can't obviously drive, especially up a hill like that. So he's giving me the keys. How scary. First time this thing's been off-road since the rebuild. And I'm driving it. Let's see how this goes. Now, we've got front locker working on this, not rear. We're going to put the front locker in and we're just going to idle up. Kind of hope for the best. I'm going to take a very similar line to what I took in the GQ. I think that is the line for this hill, especially if you're not twin locked and got big tyres. Biggest thing, of course, with this, still got leaf hangers and running on 33s. So what we're going to do, pull up there, rear locker, front locker. Compressor, it's already out. Lockers in. Doing a bit of a crap walk, idling. Just walked up. Yeah, good. Might go back down. This feels a lot more sketch. Oh, there goes all the gear. Yeah, now. I think it might be time for lockers. At least the rear one. that was fun. God, it is steep coming down. It is very steep. So I'm gonna line her up, lockers in, and we're just gonna go straight down. Oh, that is steep. It is just like an ice skating. The problem is, you're off the brakes and you go too quick. You're on the brakes and you just start sliding. But we did it. We got it down. Next hill. That was fun.
After the first track, we thought we'd take a minute and have a look at that beautiful scenery. It wasn't long and the second challenge was up. And when you believe it, Dylan stole the bloody keys again.
This time we're going up a bit of a rock step. This could be interesting. Just going to take it nice and slow, so we don't want to nudge the bull bar into it. So I'm going to try and put the wheels on the high points, front locker in. And I stalled. Yeah. Holy shit, that is really steep. I'm gonna back off. Whew. All right, we'll try again. Let's give it a little bit more curry this time. There we go. Just need a little more beans. Now I've got a few wombat holes, we'll see how it goes. And just like that, up. Sweet as. Well, we're not going to make that turn. We'll go back around down the bottom. It is now the GQ's turn. Let's see how she goes. Going to take the same line and we'll see how it feels. Just going to crawl it first. Try not to stall it again. And we'll see how we go. Just like that up. Woo! And we're up. So this one, it's going to be fun, I reckon. A few more step ups and wombat holes than the previous ones we've done so far. Without a locker, it's going to be a bit more interesting. See how we go. I've picked a bit of a line. So yeah, unfortunately I can't just go straight up the centre. I haven't got enough travel. But we'll see what we can do. Bugger.
This is where a locker would come in real handy on the old GQ. So it was time to bring out the Max Tracks to save the day. We placed a Max Track on each side of the vehicle on the wheel that was spinning.
I went a little bit further.
That got us a little further up the track, but we'll have to do another reset. Let's see if this gets us going.
We're not stopping. We're going to the top. Woo! Oh. Sorry, car. After getting stuck on that's dropped my confidence a little bit. But short ass has been driving this. Thanks, Mum. Paddy's turn. See how Paddy goes. At least we've got a locker now. Just going to help. We're on smaller tyres though. So we're going to pick a bit different line for Paddy. And we'll see if it sticks. Front locker in. Let's roll. Bloody hell. That was not Paddy, that was all locker. And line, I swear. Locker out because I can't turn. That's just not cool. That's just not cool. So we got one last little hill for the day we're going to do. Just the old one more, no more. For a bit of fun. Because Paddy has been going really good. Touch wood. Oh, am I going to make that? That's a tight turn. Swing, girl, swing, swing. Front locker in. Yep. Well, that was easy. GQ's turn. Let's see if the GQ can make it look harder than Paddy. Paddy made that look like a freaking highway. And then the GQ says, hold my beer. I'll show you how not to do it. And up we go. Same line, same pace. Also walked it. A little more scrabble, but otherwise walked it.
The day was getting on, so we decided to make some tracks for home. And we'll be back real soon, so I can get back behind the wheel of Paddy.
so we had a pretty fun little day out here, except for someone. So there's a reason why I drove both cars, because someone had a little accident this morning, unfortunately.
Sore shoulder.
Yeah.
Hurt the shoulder.
Went for a trip.
Went for a trip.
Yeah. So we're going to have to come back out so that Dad can drive some of these tracks. Today was only about just getting out here, having a bit of a look and...
Giving a test out,
Yeah,
making sure everything's running okay.
Yeah, exactly right.
But you went good.
Yeah, no, a little too good actually. So we'll be back. We only did a few little small tracks.
Yeah, it was only a few hours worth, so.
Yeah. We're keen to get back out here and test some of the harder tracks, but we've got a few mods to do first.
Yes. Yeah, we've got to get a few things fixed up and then we're ready to get going.
You've got a few things to get fixed up.
So have you. We have a look at the footage. We'll answer that.
All right, thanks guys for watching. We'll
Thanks guys.
See you next time on Rigs on Rigs.
Catch you then.
Rigs on rigs, pedal to the metal. Can't stop, only way is up. No turning around, no backing down on boots rocking and rolling.